It's around 5:45 when I'm sitting in the sun, just basking the sunlight and taking a break. आजकल इतना pollution है यहाँ पे मुंबई में, it's crazy. Like मेरे घर से you can see the mountains, but right now they're not even visible, and they've not been visible for almost a month. And when you go out, the air feels so unnatural. Like you can feel that this air is not fresh at all. Yeah, where were we? I was just talking about pollution. Let's not even talk about it. The biggest task in my to-do list today is to clean this area of the house. Before that, I'm gonna make my protein shake. I'm also gonna show you what protein I'm using right now because it's so good. It's this one. It's from True Native. It's the matcha protein. So it's like protein, but it also has matcha. And it's also very yummy. It tastes like matcha plus vanilla plus obviously protein, so it's like a perfect mix of all things. Now I just blend it all in. Pretty amazing. Are you sleeping? I love you. Do you want to drink this? No? Don't want it? Okay. सो जाओ. Thank you. Let's unbox this package that came in. It's probably some PR. Why do I think it's something from MAC? This is why I don't make unboxing videos, because look at this. This is how I unbox stuff. Okay, it's definitely from MAC. What is this? Oh my god, this is a tank top. It's so cute. So I think let's try it later. Take this as a sign to follow your dreams. Okay, this is the book I'm reading currently. It's The Outsider by Vikas. It's so good, like I'm really liking it. It's motivating, but not in your face kind of motivating, but like it's a good read. I'm enjoying it, and I'm reading it very slowly because if it's not fiction, तो मुझसे वो पढ़ा ही नहीं जाता है. So I need fictional books to keep my reading slump away. So I read like 1 to 2 chapters every day of this, and baki I'm reading my fictional books. So these are all the books I'm gonna sort today. I'm thinking of classifying them as books I've read, books I don't want to do anything with, and books I want to read in 2026, because these have a lot of books that I've never touched or even opened. So there's this thing about me where I just buy books and I just forget about them. I'm gonna remove all the dust. The thing with this cupboard is that it gets dirty in like 5 days. So I have to do this every other week. If you like Twilight, vampires, werewolves, and spicy romance books, try this. I also have this Pride and Prejudice book. It's so pretty. Like, look at the details. It's one of my most favorite covers ever. I started it long back, but the classics like these are always so difficult to read. This is also another book that I started, almost finished but never fully finished. I still remember some things about this book and it was really nice, so I've kept it. This book, I got it recently. I know I got it recently, but I don't remember where I got it, how I got it. Did I order it online or did I just go to some place and get it? I have no idea. This is what I do. I buy books and I forget about them. Like, I forget their existence in my house. So I'm gonna start reading this. Another book that I really liked. I will definitely be reading this again. There are some books that you get because they are just all over the internet, and this one is one such book that I got. I like this book, but somehow I liked the series more. It's on Amazon Prime, I think. Oh my god, this book I loved. I loved this book. It's about 4 sisters. So you know that I'm gonna love that because we are 4 sisters. And it was such a beautiful read. I actually cried reading this one. I cry a lot, so that's not surprising. But still, I really like it. I love the cover also. The classic, I think everybody has read this book. Of course, I have this book. I'm keeping all these in the bundle which I've read and do not want to read again. Another classic. This was one of the first thrillers I've ever read and it was quite good. Played music. Milo probably slept on the remote. I loved this book. Definitely want to read more of this author. It was such a great read. So if you have not read it still, please do it. Another book that I've not read but I would like to. I got this book after I saw it on someone's story. It's like one chapter every day, basically one page every day that you have to read. They have literally marked the dates like 18 Jan, 19 Jan. Basically it starts from 1st and goes till like 31st December, but obviously I never finished it. I'm just not that person. It actually took me such a long time. Now I'm gonna go edit my video and then I'll see you. So I posted a reel about things I find chic and today I am gonna put the second version of that. But I've made it Desi Girl edition and it's one of my most favorite videos I've shot in a while. I realized that there are so many things that I love about being a Desi girl. It's a cute one. Hello, so I'm done with everything. Gonna have my dinner now. This is what I'm having. Roti thodi jal gayi hai, so ignore that. A lot of paneer bhurji for good fats and protein. And my water. Iske baad I'm planning to go on a walk. And I'm also watching this series called Sullivan's Crossing on Netflix. So I'm gonna eat and watch that. I hope you had a fun time spending an evening with me. I definitely did, and I'm looking forward to my next video. See you there.